SIS.BHE Fashion Show was organized by CEO Lil Beth on January 25, 2025 at COPTHORNE Hotel, Kensington. This show was sponsored by UK beauty and brain Yusuf and a really famous designer Jessica Lewis by Richard exhibited their bridal collection. Multicultural designers exhibited their collection by showcasing their cultural clothes on the runway. Lil Beth is a creative designer. She represents Philippines brand called SIS.BHE and given all the models sponsored t-shirts in return to say thank you for their modeling and also showing the positivity towards the fashion show. Audience were amazed to see creative and beautiful multicultural fashion collection showcased from the range of models from multiple disciplines. Jia Khan was the showstopper of most of the designer and showcased the highest bid dress at the auction. The purpose of this fashion show was to empower women from all age and size and make them believe in themselves. Best model and designers were awarded with SIS.BHE Fashion Show certificates. Hi everyone, it's Jia Khan from Z89 TV. We are here in COPTHORNE Hotel, which is the COPTHORNE Hotel in High Street of Kensington. Here we are actually participating as a model for the SIS.BHE Fashion Show. I will be sharing a lot of videos and a lot of photos of this fashion show. So I would like to say good luck to the whole team who have worked really hard to put this show together.
Hello, we're live here at SIS.BHE Fashion Show and my name is Vanessa Desa. I'm here with Hermie Biloria
and I'm Zena Bulena. I'm a Malungwena model from desginers.
And right now we're here preparing for the raffle.
My name is Ina Strzelecka. I'm 14 years old and I've been doing modelling since I was 5 years old. For me, I like to persuade girls my age to live their dreams as a model because lots of girls out there can't even speak right now. I love modelling. I love being confident on the runway. I love showing everyone's designs. I really like how some girls can be so confident on the thing, but some girls can be really sad on it. Just live your life, you only live once, and thank you.
So KAA, SIS.BHE Fashion Show, so I'm doing every year, so this is a third season, so they have a different designer for the different culture. So the first one I do the Filipiniana, the first one in the second different thing, and then now casual dress, that's one of the designer, and then also the model, and then the organizer. So hope every year come and then support me, SIS.BHE Fashion Show every year. So thank you. I have a lot of designer and model and then photographer soon. So let's see. See you there. Bye.
I'm Hermisita Viloria and I'm one of the model for SIS.BHE Fashion Show. So hopefully I'll see you soon later for the event of SIS.BHE with lots of designers. You will meet lots of designers, models and many more. So hope to see you there.
I've got some models coming along. Jessica Louise is a company that values the contribution that models make towards the fashion industry. All too often they are let down by the way things are organised. So we like to do things a little bit different. When we got invited along here, I I'd only take part if I could bring some of my models along, which graciously they've allowed me to do. So looking forward to the show, and once we get the images we'll be pushing them out, and you can visit us at www.jessicalouiseoccasionwear.com. Thank you.
My name is Jia Khan. I'm the CEO of Beauty and Brains. Our event is on the 1st of June in Chigwell, so it's an award ceremony and a fashion show, and also we're crowning the winner for the pageant. So I'm here today as one of the sponsors. We're also going to be filming this event today. This event is a fashion show, really looking forward to it. There's some amazing designers, we have some amazing models, and there's one particular model, her name begins with J and her surname's with K. She's absolutely amazing. I'm sure you can guess who that is. really looking forward to seeing her on the runway and maybe interviewing her as well.
More details and more news. Keep watching ZT9 TV with Jia Khan. Thank you.